Hey everyone, this is Cool Man with another episode for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about the Hmong New Year. Alright, so if you guys know, the Hmong New Year is right around the corner, and that means you gotta wear your Hmong clothes, pop up those things, all your bling bling, and go out there and ball toss. Go out there and ball toss. Yep, and you know what that also means? Put out those Hmong pickup lines. You know, thinking about it, we don't have that much Hmong pickup line. Other than the overly used pickup line, and so besides those two, I can't really think of any other Hmong pickup lines. And you know what? That's a strange thing, because I asked a lot of other people and they don't know either. And so you know what? I thought that maybe we should definitely create some Hmong pickup lines. Yeah, so here's some original from yours truly. Tại thiên à? Thiên,怎么？哦，对嘞，嗰啲天老古些了呢。嘿，你冇，嗰輪被人走呢？喲，嗰輪被人走。哦，姐姐你咁麼？我嗰度 new play 啊。嘿，你冇，嗰邊人都用咗呢？用咗，人都嘛。哦，對嘞，嗰啲用過咗年過咗啊呀。Hey, itu na, hey, itu na, nyok kau kau ne, kau tu yang kau tu na Elsa. Wow, linh mỏ, giờ cái giờ bảo bảo lo, tôi chỉ giờ bảo bảo了, tôi giờ lúc bảo nó học lúc xé rồi, chỉ chủ yếu cái ý lệnh thì lì lòng đời tao xứ. Hey, linh mỏ, ai có bữa cá, cú tua, chỉ cả. And there you have it, guys. More Hmong pickup lines for you guys all to use. Go out there and make me proud. Except for the last one, but yeah, go out there and have fun, guys.